In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a listing on Facebook Marketplace, whether you're looking to sell an item, a vehicle, or even a home for rent. Facebook Marketplace is a fantastic tool for reaching potential buyers in your area. Let's dive into the process and make sure you get your listing live and ready to attract attention. First and foremost, head over to Facebook. If you haven't done so already, you'll need to log into your account or sign up if you're new to Facebook. Once you're logged in, take a look at the top menu bar and you'll see a section called Marketplace. Click on it. This is where you'll be able to access all the features of Facebook Marketplace, including the option to create your own listing. Next, you'll spot the option to create a new listing. Click on this and you'll be presented with different types of listings you can create. Here, you'll choose whether you're listing an item for sale, a vehicle, or a home for rent. Select the one that suits your needs. Now comes an essential part, adding photos. Make sure you take clear, high-quality images of the item or property you're selling. This step is crucial because good photos can make a significant difference in attracting potential buyers. After you've uploaded your photos, it's time to provide a title, set a price, choose a category, and note the condition of your item. Be specific with your title and ensure your price is competitive but reasonable for what you're offering. Choosing the right category will help your listing appear in relevant searches. Next, consider adding more details if necessary. This extra information can help your listing stand out and answer questions your potential buyers might have up front. Don't forget to write a clear and detailed description. This is your chance to highlight important features and benefits of your item, so make sure it's as informative and appealing as possible. Adding product tags is optional but recommended to enhance discoverability. Think of simple and relevant keywords that potential buyers might use when searching for an item like yours. You'll also need to enter your location. This will help prospective buyers know where the item is for pickup or viewing. Meeting up with the buyer is often part of the selling process, so you can choose your preferred meetup location as well. Facebook Marketplace provides options that can help facilitate safe and convenient transactions. If you'd like to get more reach for your listing, you have the option to promote it after publishing. And if you prefer to keep your selling activity private from your friends, you can choose to hide your listing from them. Once you're satisfied with everything, click on Next. Finally, it's time to make your listing live by clicking on Publish. Congratulations, your listing is now up for others to see. To keep track of your listing activity and manage it, you can always return to your marketplace profile to view it under your selling items. Good luck and happy selling on Facebook Marketplace.